Now, the cryptocurrency market is definitely taking a very hard hit over the last 24 to 48 hours, and we've got 3 reasons why the cryptocurrency space fell on Tuesday, or really over the last 24 hours here. And you know what? I actually don't think that any of these are the real reason. We're going to go over that as well. So after we do that, we're going to jump into the Play Doge presale, which is clearly seeing demand, even though the overall cryptocurrency market right now is falling, which is probably the most bullish sign of success that you could ever see. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Play Doge on the screen. Now, we're going to talk a little bit more about this in a second here, but I got to go over the reasons why the market is falling, because it is getting hammered. And when it rebounds, tokens like Play Doge are going to soar. Now, the first one, minor capitulation. This one I disagree with almost wholeheartedly, because the market is not getting wrecked over the last 24 hours on the Bitcoin halving that took place in April. Cryptocurrency mining firms, their revenue has been slashed by 55%, as the reward rate for Bitcoin has been slashed in half. But if they didn't expect that, why are they running multi-billion-dollar mining firms in the first place? So, no, we're going to X that one out. I believe that one is incorrect. Low stablecoin issuance, maybe a reason, but this doesn't necessarily account for the sell-off that took place. This accounts for the negation of demand. It says here that frequent stablecoin issuance usually indicates an influx of capital and liquidity into the cryptocurrency market. However, analysts noted low stablecoin issuance levels. In other words, new capital flowing into digital assets has somewhat stalled with prices. Now, I get that. Okay, if more people aren't flowing in and buying cryptocurrency, the price is not going to rise. But that does not mean that it's going to fall unless, of course, other people are selling and outflows are outpacing inflows. Now, this one here, this could have a more direct effect, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about what I think is causing the price declines before jumping back into Play Doge. Spot Bitcoin ETFs from firms like BlackRock and Fidelity saw major outflows. Now, this would have a direct effect on price. People selling in quantities greater than they are buying. So yes, therefore, I do believe this one could have caused the cryptocurrency market to decline like it did over the last couple of days. But if you type in cryptocurrency news SEC, the crypto enforcement officer, or the chief officer at the SEC that enforces cryptocurrency law, stepped down. I believe that this is what's causing the overall crypto crash. And I put that in quotes because it is a dip, and meme coins are crashing down 30, 40, 50% in some cases. But of course, I believe they will rebound. Why? This guy leaving, this guy did nothing good for the SEC or for cryptocurrency. He simply enforced laws that do not exist. And when asked for clear guidance, never gave that clear guidance to the cryptocurrency community. I believe that he can only be replaced with somebody much, much better and much more willing to embrace and help cryptocurrency grow. It's kind of hard to be worse than the worst. Now, with that being said, when he is replaced and certainty is revived in the cryptocurrency space, I believe these tiny little tokens like Play Doge are going to soar. Why? Because it's going to inspire retail investors. Confidence is going to rise. And when confidence rises, the tiniest little, the brand new, the smallest market cap coins rise the most. Because the greedier an investor is, the higher risk reward ratio they seek out. And Play Doge has that risk to reward ratio. They have already done $4.7 million in pre-sale sales. So if you are interested in buying, make sure you use that link in the description below and connect your wallet. After you do that, simply type in 5 Ethereum if you want to buy 5 Ethereum worth, and you're going to be walking away with 3.2 million Play Doge. You can also buy with BNB, and you might be better off buying with BNB because you're going to be able to stake your Play Doge if you do. You can stake it for 81% annualized income, and of course then you're not going to have to worry about launch day volatility and all of that. But what is Play Doge? Play Doge is a play-to-earn Doge companion game. They're building a Tamagotchi-style app where you're going to be able to take care of your little Doge, grow him up into a nice big Doge, and you're going to be able to earn Play Doge along the way. On top of all of it, they've got these retro arcade-style mini-games that you could play and earn Play Doge. And of course, the roadmap is laid out as follows with the 4 phases. And then, of course, the tokenomics are here. 50% going to the pre-sale, 6.5% community rewards, 11.5% to liquidity, 10% to marketing, 10% to project funds, and 12% set aside for those 81% annualized staking rewards there. If you guys are still uncomfortable or don't know how to buy, you can simply follow their step-by-step tutorial at the bottom of their page. But these are the most important parts of this entire process. Having your questions answered. Now, when can you claim your Play Doge is what I see most often. When the pre-sale concludes, all buyers will be able to claim their Play tokens using the same wallet that they contributed with. Token claiming is going to take place on the BNB blockchain. So you are going to need some BNB token or Binance Smart Chain token in your wallet in order to claim your Play Doge. Now the good news is the gas fees are very low on the Binance network, so you're not going to need a ton of it. But if you buy with Ethereum, you're still going to have to claim on the Binance blockchain. Please be aware of that. Once it begins trading, it's going to be completely up to the market. But when does the pre-sale end? They are slated for 40 stages. Now, they've already committed to 10 of them. The price has increased at least 10 times here. And they continue to increase every time that this threshold is met. Or, of course, if this timer ticks down. So you guys have about a day and a half left if you're going to go out there and grab some Play Doge at this price. Or less if this threshold is met. I've bought into Play Doge. I'm excited about Play Doge. I want to know about you guys down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.